Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I'm here to talk about probably the most popular concealer on the market. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. I think all of us have probably heard of this at one point or another. It is very popular and for good reason. I specifically have the color Fair Neutral. It is one that I use in the winter time, and it works great for under my eyes and for covering up redness. And I love this product for all of the reasons that you should love a concealer. The pigmentation is out of this world. It is so pigmented. It is amazing. The formula is nice and creamy and soft on the skin. It blends out very, very well, and it doesn't end up patchy throughout the day. The longevity of the product is all day long. It literally will last until I'm going to bed. I can wipe off my makeup, and if anything else, this product will be on my face at the end of the day. So you've got formula, you've got pigmentation, you've got longevity. I love the applicator. The wand is nice and chunky, which is just my favorite to use. Although, honestly, so little goes such a long way that I usually will just dip my brush into this piece right here and get plenty of product to apply. So I love that. It lasts so long. Honestly, I'm going to have this until it expires because it just has so much product in there. It is so awesome. So yeah, I really, really love this product. I highly, highly recommend it. If you haven't tried the Shape Tape already, I promise you, you are missing out. There is a reason why it is so popular. I love it. You're gonna love it. And that is my point of view.